Hello everyone, I'd like to share another journal. I'm on a roll. I have another one. This journal is called Rustic Winter. It's a traveler's notebook, and I used a digital by Artymaze called Rustic Winter. The cover is made with a hanging file folder, and it measures 4 3/4 inches wide by 8 1/4 inches high. It has one hand stitch signature for a total of 84 pages. I have a seam binding for a closure, and these are lampwork beads made by Michelle Rowe from the US. I've collected quite a few of her beads, which I just love. And so here it opens up, and there's a side pocket with journaling cards, a postal card. It's a beautiful little collection. It's a nice winter collection. Here's on vellum, some vintage music paper, little envelope with a journaling card, some tracing paper, some more vellum. This is painter's tape. Again, I kept the paper white. Some beautiful, the size of the tags are just beautiful in this little corner pocket. Again on vellum. This little pocket with journaling cards, tag. Beautiful collection. Again, like all my journals, lots of room for journaling. Here's an envelope with the collection. I made a journaling card to fit it. In the middle of this signature, I have these two pockets, lots of journaling cards, tags. It's a beautiful collection, beautiful colors. Again, there we go. Another little envelope with the collection. Here is printed on vellum. Tracing paper. Another pocket here. And another print on vellum. Corner pocket with tags. A little side tuck here with a couple of journaling cards. Another print on vellum. I love the look of it. And this back pocket. There's a postcard and some journaling tags. And here's the back. So this will be listed in my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.